Hi team, I've got a great recipe for you. It is a mushroom and potato curry with mint and cilantro, yogurt, carrot and cucumber salad. Woohoo, that was a mouthful. Check it out, I hope you like it.
Some plain yogurt, a cucumber, carrot, some mint and some fresh coriander. And this is the ingredients for the curry. There is some curry powder. It can be any curry powder. Basically some onion, and you have here the garlic and some ginger. Now this ginger is fresh ginger. I cut and I put it in the freezer. Some fennel seeds and some coconut milk. You don't have to use all of it, just a portion of it. The fennel seeds, the garlic and the curry powder, and I'm going to mix it with a bit of olive oil. And that will make the base of the actual curry. That's the actual flavor, the strong. Okay, so what I've got here is the onions and the mushrooms in a frying pan. This is the curry paste that I made before. I'm going to put that curry paste into the... So you have the curry paste in there with some water and the onions and mushrooms, and essentially that's your curry. It's good to go. That's the curry finished. Baked eggplant and potato, and that essentially will get mixed into the curry. And there you have it, the magic green bean curry. What I've done here is grated the cucumber and the carrot. Okay, what I've got here is the fresh coriander or cilantro if you're from America, and the peppermint leaves, yogurt and the carrot and the cucumber, and I'm gonna mix all that up. Right there, ready to eat. Woohoo!
Hi team, I hope you liked that recipe. You can eat it with some rice, brown or white, or some roti bread or naan bread, or even by itself. If you would like to turn that recipe into a vegan recipe, you can take out the yogurt from the salad and replace it with lime juice. To see more recipes like this, like and subscribe. For the recipe, just look down in the description below.